Hi, my sunflowers, welcome back to the channel. This is Ishita with two E's. And I literally can't believe it's May right now. We've come back to the time where it's again time for Nyka's Pink Summer Sale. इस बार की वीडियो में मैं कैटेगरी वाइज नहीं जाऊंगी, मैं ऑफर वाइज जाऊंगी, like कौन से ब्रांड के बेस्ट ऑफर्स है and what you can buy under those offers. But a few disclaimers before we start with the video and the recommendation. I literally had to push myself for like half an hour today in the morning कि just ये वीडियो बना दे इशिता, because everything that is happening in the country, it's not easy. I think makeup and ये shopping वगैरह should be the last thing on anybody's concerns, but I also feel part of our jobs is to show up. And मैं ये वीडियो नहीं बनाने वाली थी, but फिर I thought all my friends are doing their job, so this is also my job. Like I was sent a PR by Nykaa at my Indian address, so also trying to distract you a little bit. I come from the category of people who always have tried to be away from these political issues because it just causes me a lot of unrest and a lot of anxiety. I'm aware of everything that is happening, but I choose not to talk about it. And anyways, just praying for the safety of everybody. Literally, my heart was like, मैं कल इतनी anxious सोई हूँ, मैं सुबह उठते ही मैंने सीधे न्यूज़ चेक करी कि we have full trust in our army, we have full trust in our country. So yeah. Also, do not feel the pressure कि आपको कोई शॉपिंग करनी ही करनी है. Offers आते जाते रहते हैं. But in case you've run out of the stuff that you usually use and you are looking for new recommendations, this is a place to be. And बहुत लंबा intro हो गया. चलो, okay, bye. Let's start. सबसे पहले we have Elf. They have their buy one get one free का offer. नहीं तो up to 30% off तो है. So what I would recommend you is obviously Charlotte Tilbury के perfect, almost the most closest dupe to it, which is Elf Halo Glow. This gives your base, your फाउंडेशन दैट ग्लो बूस्टर इफेक्ट. आप उसको बेस से पहले लगा लो, बेस में मिक्स करके लगा लो, दोनों में इट वर्क्स ब्यूटिफुली. देन वी ऑल्सो लव द हेलो ग्लो ब्लशेज एंड कॉन्टोर्स. आई हैवंट had the chance to get the shades in the contour, but the blush color is beautiful. मैं ये blush use करती हूँ in Rose You Slay and I love it. It gives me the perfect glitter plus pinky rosy glow effect. Hydro Grip, again milk का dupe है, but beautiful consistency. Literally makes your base stay put for so many hours. Love it. इसके अलावा इनके concealers are super long lasting, super non creasy. They're thick. They do the job very beautifully. I will say Indian skin tones के लिए थोड़ी range कम है, restrictive है, but if you find your shade, do get it. And their eyebrow products are beautiful. This is my latest obsession. You can get this one if you are looking for a very सस्ता टिकाऊ eyebrow setter. Comes with a spoolie and all, तो कुछ भी झंझट नहीं है. इसके अलावा the lip oils. Elf lip oils मैं अपना ढूंढ नहीं पा रही हूँ. They are beautiful. Cutie से है. Perfect for traveling, perfect for anywhere you want to go. They're very juicy and very lightly pigmented as well. So lip liner and gloss wala look बहुत perfect लगेगा with Elf. Then we have our favorite Katrina का brand, K Beauty by Katrina. You're getting up to 25% off. One brand that I always indulge in whenever there's a sale on Nykaa because it's a Nykaa exclusive. I have 4 recommendations. Number 1, their loose powders. This is their HD setting loose powder. But मैंने banana shade लिया था. On days when I do not want something very full coverage, अभी भी मैंने under eyes इससे set करी है and it does such a wonderful job. It's very fine, beautiful. इनका cream blush, I have the shade Sweetheart Pink is what I have applied today on my nose, on my cheek, even on my eyes. हल्का सा जो pink tint है. Very matte. Almost finish. K Beauty जो भी launch करता है, it always hits the mark. It's one of those blushes. I know they've launched the popsicle one as well. मैंने वो नहीं try किया, but this one is one of my go-to favorites and I love it. Next is their illuminating liquid highlighter. I have the shade Champagne. Beautiful, gorgeous, fine. कोई chunky particles नहीं है. Literally गायब हो जाता है ये कहीं. Leaves you with the most perfect sheen. It doesn't get better than this, I must say. So yeah, get this. And इसके अलावा I have the brown gold kajal. Shade वगैरह नीचे mention कर दूंगी. I love using this for creating a liner or just a smudged liner look on my eyes. बहुत ही अच्छा effect देता है. It's also one of those very cool toned brown. It's not that warm brown. मुझे वो नहीं अच्छा लगता. This is a beautiful shade and smudge भी नहीं करता है. If it's done nicely on your eyes, गिरा दिया मैंने. It's great. Then we have Maybelline with their 45 up to 45% off, and you also get a free gift above $7.99, I guess. So I have 4 recommendations. Number 1 has to be the Lumi Matte Foundation. It gives you a very nice finish. It's almost medium to buildable coverage as well. Lasts for a really long time. Thoda oxidize hota hai, so make sure you go a number above your usual shade. But great product. Iske alawa concealers mein Maybelline does the best drugstore concealers. I have to say that. Be it the Age Rewind, Fit Me, both of them are on great discounts as well, so आँख बंद करके ले सकते हो आप. इसके अलावा Sky High Mascara. Again, if you're looking for a good mascara, go and buy this one. I have the burgundy one. You can obviously go for the black one. इसकी ना ये जो इतनी fine सी वो wand है ना, it gives you very nice fluttery look to your eyelashes. और मैंने हाथ पे लगा लिया है. If you want a gloss, just make them shimmer particles or literally Fenty Gloss का dupe. Look no further than Lifter glosses from Maybelline. इनका जो pink shade है, it's literally a dupe of Fenty. I have the pink one from Fenty, but इसमें मैंने I went for a transparent one. Let me show you. Do you see the shimmer? इसमें इतना प्यारा sparkle आता है. Literally, it gives you the most plumpy look ever. The spicy variant आया था hot and spicy, वो सब मत लो. The Lifter glosses, the original one, are the best. इसके अलावा, if you are looking for a long-lasting matte lip color, something that blurs out on your lips as well and stays on for a really long time, I kid you not, Teddy Tints are actually good. I know, I think they did not market it well. Warna, this is beautiful. Let it set on for a minute or 2 on your lips. इसके बाद ये चिप भी नहीं करता है. I swear by it. Best thing, blush की तरह भी यूज कर सकते हो. और क्या चाहिए अब? Then up to 40% off and a free gift above $8.99, we have L'Oreal. Now L'Oreal, I must say, मुझे recently पता चला कि Lancome and L'Oreal की manufacturing unit, they are all under the same brand. So you can vouch for their base products. They're going to give you the best finish. So one of my all-time favorite concealers has to be the Infallible one, and it's on great discount. I am in the shade 314 beige. I use this shade to be a little highlighting sort of a shade on my base, but अभी मैंने ये use किया है. Great shade match, great consistency, blends beautifully, is slightly thick, gives you full coverage. Just perfection. Perfection से याद आया the Panorama Mascara. This is so waterproof. कुछ भी हो जाएगा, 12-14 घंटे हो जाएंगे, but this will not smudge on your eyelashes. So yeah, if you want something that long lasting, go for this one. Again, gives you the most lengthening, voluminous black, jet black lashes. Beautiful. मेरा current obsession this year has been the Infallible 3-second setting mist. Worth every penny. Literally, your base will not move anywhere. ये one size का dupe है, and it's rightly so. Every time I have to step out in the sun, मैं ये use करती हूँ, and it hasn't disappointed me. इसके अलावा one of my most favorite brown skin friendly lipstick has to be the Worth It Medium from L'Oreal. It's just the perfect peachy warm nude. This is like a pink but mauve, sort of a deeper shade. Looks beautiful on medium to brown skin tones. Love the finish, love how long lasting this is. Feels very light on your lips as well. And iska another one of my favorite shades has to be Worth It Medium. वो मैं ढूंढ नहीं पा रही हूँ. I think किसी पर्स में रख के मैं भूल गई हूँ. One of my most favorite shades ever. Then you also have Nykaa with up to 50% off. Definitely go ahead and buy their primer if you're looking for a pore blurring primer that's also affordable. Unka all day matte foundation is a beautiful semi matte foundation that actually has a good range as well. मैं अपना shade यहाँ mention कर दूँगी. Beautiful consistency, very blendable as well. इसके अलावा उनकी matte lipsticks, ये जो छोटी वाली eons, like सदियों से use कर रही हूँ मैं इसको. This is the shade झुमकी. Again, a very beautiful nude. It's like a cool toned brown. Looks beautiful. ये और Madras Kapi has to be, I think, काफी लोगों का favorite. I just prefer झुमकी over Madras Kapi as well. Look at it. Beautiful shade. उतना long lasting नहीं है, बहुत ही पुराना drying सा formula है, but it's very lightweight for that era as well. So I still love it. जब भी इंडिया जाती हूँ इसको एक बार ऑर्डर करके खरीद के आती हूँ हमेशा. इसके अलावा one thing that I actually want to buy from them as well is their Super Light, the newest launch that they have had, the liquid range. बहुत सुंदर brown shades हैं, so definitely get your hands on that because I am getting my hands on that as well. Now I'm covering some random makeup products that I absolutely love. Number one, if you're looking for a long-lasting, super, like the best of the best setting spray, go for Charlotte Tilbury. मैंने इनकी last sale से लिया था, and it is my go-to. If I want something to seal my base but also give it the most blended and just a glow sort of a look, this is the one. It has to be. मुझे समझ में आ रहा है why this is bestseller everywhere. मैं कैसे बताऊँ? It just blends every powder, every liquid foundation sort of a thing on your base beautifully. But let me give you a demo. It leaves your makeup looking more glowy in a way. Just look at it. यहाँ नहीं किया है मैंने यूज़, तो यहाँ ग्लो देख रहे हो आप? Charlotte Tilbury पे 20% ऑफ है, सो इससे बेटर तो कोई डील ही नहीं होती है. मैंने नायका के स्टोर से ऑफलाइन जाके Charlotte Tilbury खरीदा था, एंड आई गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ मिनीज साथ में. उनकी कोई डील चल रही थी और मे बी दे जस्ट वॉन्टेड कि मैं ऑफलाइन शॉप करूँ रादर देन ऑनलाइन, सो आई गॉट अ गुड डील. इसके अलावा 2 अदर सेटिंग्स पे recommendations have to be the NYX का Dewy फिनिशिंग सेटिंग स्प्रे. आई लव दिस, गिव्स मी अ वेरी dewy फिनिश. मैं इधर लगा के दिखाऊँ क्या? NYX के भी सेटिंग स्प्रेज हैव टू बी माई मोस्ट फेवरेट एवर. ये dewy वाला आई स्पेसिफिकली यूज ड्यूरिंग विंटर्स, एंड या आई थिंक मैंने ब्लश काफ़ी नीचे लगा लिया है आज इस बार. इसका सेटिंग स्प्रे इज नॉट एज फाइन एज द Charlotte Tilbury वन, बट nonetheless great product. इसके अलावा आई लव पैक फॉर दिस सेटिंग स्प्रेज एज वेल. उसकी वाइट बॉटल तो है ही वायरल, बट आई हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट इट like zillion times. The instant fixation prep and prime, this you use while doing your base, and इतना flawless base होगा ना आपका, I can't even tell you. It's sort of like a prep and prime sort of a thing. इसके अलावा Too Faced का Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer is beautiful. Super coverage, super blendable, and doesn't even get oxidized. अगर मैं ये इसको अंडर आइज पे लगाती हूँ, literally रात के एंड में भी my base looks flawless. वो शेड ऑक्सीडाइज होता ही नहीं है, मतलब बहुत ही माइन्यूट सी ऑक्सीडाइजेशन है, एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई लव अबाउट इट. आई कैन सी व्हाई ब्राइड्स यूज दिस, एंड द हुडा ब्यूटी वन ब्यूटीफुल. आई हैव द शेड वार्म बेज. ये मेरा विंटर शेड में हाईलाइटिंग शेड था. अभी तो मैं काफ़ी टाइम हो गई हूँ अपने विंटर शेड से, सो दिस इज स्लाइटली टू लाइट ऑन मी, बट नॉनदलेस स्टिल वर्क्स ऑन मी, एंड आई लव इट. It's literally summertime. Usually summertime foundations, Zara, I would suggest you go for a tinted sunscreen. I have 2 of my favorites. Number 1 is the Quench one. I think 20 to 25% off है. This is slightly on the matter side. This is what I have today for the base. You can see काफ़ी matte सा finish है. Love this one. It gives me a medium, like very low to medium coverage only, but works for summers. And Dot & Key की watery watermelon strawberry tinted sunscreen. तो मतलब सालों से मैं यूज़ करते हुए आ रही हूँ. Beautiful blendability, beautiful color match, beautiful everything. Like वो जो perfect skin tint वाला काम होता है ना, to just even out your skin, both of them do it, and both of them do a fantastic job. Let me know if you want a side by side comparison of this. अगर आपको कुछ बहुत ही अफोर्डेबल चाहिए फाउंडेशन में, then definitely try Lakme का 9 to 5 Power Play Priming Foundation. I'm in the shade Warm Beige. The only downplay to this is कि ये पंप वगैरह कुछ भी नहीं देते हैं, जबकि मार्स दे देता है ये पंप वाला थिंग. बट such a beautiful formula. I love the finish that it gives me. कलर मैच भी बहुत अच्छा है. Very easy. अगर आप इसको बिना प्राइमर के भी यूज़ करोगे, इट गिव्स अ वेरी नाइस फ्लॉलेस बेस टू इट. काफ़ी अच्छे सेल्स पे भी होता है हमेशा. लैक्मे के भी फाउंडेशन रेंजेस आई हैव बिन लविंग. कंसीलर्स मैंने उतने ट्राई नहीं किया, बट फाउंडेशन आई रियली लाइक लैक्मे for lipsticks and foundations both. Few random recommendations. I absolutely love Kiro for their stick blush in the shade Vintage Rose. It's a very beautiful peachy color. Look at it. Literally spreads like butter on your hand, on your face. और मैं हल्का हल्का blend करूँगी, बहुत प्यार से blend होगा. जितने प्यार से face पे blend होता है ना, doesn't move your base or anything, gives a very cutie peachy glow. If you're looking for a matte foundation that blends beautifully, Kiro one are beautiful. And I still feel pink blushes are very like overdone. सब पे suit करते हैं, but you can definitely invest in a peach one as well. It gives a much more natural flush of color, and especially with nude lipsticks, peach just glows beautifully. Of course, K Beauty का जो popsicle blush आया, that's fantastic. I'm sure मैंने try नहीं किया. I, on the other hand, have been loving Makeup Revolution का jelly tint. It gives such a natural finish. बिल्कुल वो milk makeup वाली jelly tint वाली बात आती है इसमें भी. See, very buildable, and I have the shade peach, and literally you could see it on my skin. Gives a very nice sort of like orangish tint. And I love it. मैं आजकल काफ़ी peach tone में जा रही हूँ. This also comes in 2 other shades, but yeah, whatever you find, get it. If you really want a very natural water tint, but not something literally watery, go for the jelly tint. का सा tap tap करके उंगलियों से भी blend कर सकते हो, and it just works beautifully. If you're looking to add a little bit of sparkle for your eyes, definitely invest in the Swiss Beauty के holographic eyeliners. I have 2 shades, I love them both, and इन पर 20% off भी है. It's beautiful. It's one of the most easiest way to add a little bit of a pop of color to your eyes, to your base. Literally अभी जो मैंने same look किया, उस पे ये बस pop के लिए add कर दो as a liner. And that's it. You are good to go. It's just a fun little experiment that you can do in your summer makeups. If you're looking for lip oils, I love. One of the most pigmented lip oils have to be the one by Lakme. I have the shade Cocoa Truffle. ये मैंने अपनी I think 2004 के favorites में दिखाई थी, and then I forgot to talk about it. Beautiful color. Stays on for a good amount of time as well. And a very nice warm brown tone. It's very hydrating, तो lip oil का tag deserve करता है, and the packaging is so cute as well. So Lakme का foundation, and you can get this one. नहीं तो उनके जो 9 to 5 mousse हैं, उसमें blush velvet तो has to be my eternal favorite. उसके अलावा I also love the coffee light shade. It's slightly sort of like a different shade if you want to experiment. This one. It's like a brown cool tone nude with a little bit of grey tint to it, with a warm ऐसा liner. It just looks beautiful. Last but not the least, makeup category में just the last recommendation would be Charlotte Tilbury का Pillow Talk Lip Big Lip Plum Gasm. Oh, I love the packaging. भाई, I mean, this is slightly like a indulgence, like a मेरे कोई recommendation नहीं है कि आपको लेना ही लेना है, but if it's on a great sale, you can go for it. This is what I had applied on my lips. Literally बोलते बोलते में देख सकते हो कि जो पहला एकदम oomph factor आया था, it has worn out आराम से, but let me apply it again. I think glosses का वही सबसे बड़ा con होता है, it just goes away. But when you apply it for the first few hours, oh, it just looks so juicy, so plum, and literally it has that halka sa tingling effect as well, so you feel that tingling effect as well. I love it. कुछ पिंकी टिंट लगा के ना, I use this and it just works on my lips. Very natural and toned down लगता है without the liner, I must say, and I love it. Worth every penny. Moving ahead to skincare, one of the best brands that is currently on up to 25% off is Beauty of Joseon. I love their glow serum. I love their relief sunscreen. Iska combination will do magical things to your skin. Sath mein, if you have the budget, go for the Dynasty cream as well. This is such a beautifully textured moisturizer. Itna lightweight, cloudy sa hai ye. Look at it. Gets blended so beautifully. It gives me the perfect juicy moisturized base for my makeup all the time. But अभी मैं glow serum और इसको अपने night time routine में on and off use करती हूँ with another range that I've been using for anti-aging, but मैं उसको भी use करी तो I will not recommend. इसके अलावा the eye cream, this works. Of course, अगर आपके naturally like genetically कोई pigmentation है, that will not get resolved by any eye cream in the world. But वरना this genuinely works, reducing the puffiness and pigmentation. At least मुझ पे तो work किया है, and I've dissed a lot of eye creams like Innisfree वगैरह जो इससे भी ज़्यादा expensive है. It never did anything for my eyes, under eyes, so I have dissed them. But this just works. And इसके अलावा I really want to try their ginseng toner because I've heard such great reviews about it. And अब तो मुझे full trust है, भरोसा है इस brand पे कि वो actually कुछ ना कुछ करता होगा. So yeah. I love it. इसके अलावा Foxtail, another beautiful, one of my favorite Indian brands. उस पे up to 40% off है, and you also get minis. So yeah, definitely stock up on your sunscreen. Their matte SPF 71, the yellow bottle is my go-to. I love using it. Definitely get your hands on that. इसके अलावा two of my other recommendations have to be the Skin Radiance Mask. इसकी हालत देख के समझ रहे हो ना, ये मेरे वॉशरूम में रहते हैं एंड आई यूज इट ऑन एंड ऑफ. ब्यूटिफुल टेक्सचर. मुझे इनिसफ्री का जो क्ले मास्क है उसके अलावा कुछ बहुत जल्दी पसंद आ ही नहीं रहा था until I tried this one and now I love it. Like after weeks of not taking care of my skin, I just use this and literally it brightens my skin, cleans my pore. Love it. Want like a sleeping mask for just rejuvenating your skin? I love the overnight mask by Foxtail. This is beautifully lightweight gel sort of a texture. इसको बाद अपने स्किन पे पूरा लगा के सो जाओ रात भर. सुबह यू विल फील कि जितना थोड़ा कंजेशन है एंड थोड़ी रफनेस जो होती है ना स्किन में, इट डिड गेट क्योर बाय दिस वन. आई लव यूजिंग दिस. इन केस यू वांट सनस्क्रीन रिकमेंडेशन, definitely try out the Dot & Key water sunscreen and Wishcare की. Both of these sunscreens are my absolute favorite. इसके अलावा Dr. Shade की Ceramide one. Again, beautiful formula. These three are my go-to recommendations. इसके अलावा सिंपल स्किन केयर पे अभी बहुत अच्छी डील है. इफ यू लुकिंग फॉर अ फेस वॉश एंड जस्ट अ हाइड्रेटिंग मॉइस्चराइजर, ये कॉम्बो ले सकते हो आप. इट्स सच अ ग्रेट डील. सिंपल का फेस वॉश इज अ नो फज फेस वॉश दैट लीव्स योर स्किन फीलिंग सो गुड. एंड इफ यू वांट समथिंग फॉर योर acne prone skin, the Novolgy one, I've been using this as well. The gel like texture is so good, leaves your skin feeling so fresh and actually helps in, you know, reducing the acne breakouts as well. So I love it. For body care, आंख बंद करके विशकेयर का SPF बॉडी लोशन ले लो एंड साथ में बॉडी वाइज का जो यूरिया बॉडी लोशन है, दैट इज ग्रेट फॉर योर ड्राई एंड फ्लेकी स्किन. लव दिस. साथ में मिनिमलिस्ट का ग्लाइकोलिक एसिड. द ग्लाइकोलिक एसिड एंड द यूरिया बॉडी लोशन, perfect combination for your dry and flaky skin, for your keratosis pilaris, जिसमें भी नहीं ऐसे देखो जो यहाँ पे डॉट्स हो जाते हैं ना, रफ स्किन पैचेस आते हैं, ये कॉम्बिनेशन विल वर्क लाइक मैजिक ओवर इट. अगर आपको कुछ बस नरिशिंग एंड वेल स्मेलिंग चाहिए, ब्यूटिफुली स्मेलिंग चाहिए, प्लम बॉडी लविंग इज योर गो टू. आई लव द वैनिला कैरमेलो. आई विश वो यहाँ पे होता मेरे पास, बट नहीं है. सो मैं नॉर्मल बॉडी लोशन से काम चला रही हूँ. आई एम एक्चुअली यूजिंग द बॉडी शॉप का विंटेज रोज बॉडी लोशन. आई लव इट. मैं उसको हमेशा अपने नेक एंड चेस्ट पे लगाती हूँ सो दैट स्मेल गेट्स टू माई नोज इज वेल. एंड बाकी जगह यूरिया यूज करती हूँ बिकॉज माई बॉडी इज रिएक्टिंग वेरी बैडली टू द विंटर्स हियर. उसके अलावा इफ यू वॉन्ट समथिंग नरिशिंग फॉर योर हेयर, L'Oreal का एब्सोल्यूट रिपेयर हेयर मास्क, द लाइट येलो वन इज ब्यूटिफुल. अगर आपके बहुत ही रफ एंड ड्राई एंड अनमैनेजेबल हेयर एंड्स हैं, दैट हेयर मास्क कैन डू वंडर फॉर इट. इट लिटरली रिपेयर्स योर हेयर. वरना इफ यू वांट जस्ट समथिंग नरिशिंग एंड लाइट फॉर योर स्कैल्प, I would recommend the Plum Coconut Milk and Peptide. It literally leaves your hair feeling so nourished and so moisturized and very shiny as well. थोड़ी सी शाइन ऐड कर देता है ये मेरे बालों में and I love it. जब भी कोई स्पेशल ओकेजन होता है I only use it up because I want to save it. क्योंकि फिर मैं कहाँ से लाऊंगी यहाँ पे, but I love it. प्लम का एवोकाडो वाला रेंज भी बहुत like hair mask तो उसके are Chumeshwari. I love it. And I think I'm going to end with my lip treatment wale recommendations. I absolutely have been loving Indie Wild. I think उस पर 10% off है. इससे ज़्यादा off तो आता ही नहीं है उस पर. So blindly, if you really want something to treat your lips and also something to top up on your lip tints, which gives that glazed effect but also is nourishing, Indie Wild is beautiful. उसके अलावा Conscious Chemist के भी lip जो lush lips आए हैं, they are beautiful. I love it. And नहीं तो Foxtail के lip treatments are equally good. I have been loving. मुझे मिल नहीं रहा है, मैंने पता नहीं कौन सी पैकेट में रख लिया है. उसका एक पर्पल टिंट मैंने लिया था, tinted lip balm. Loved it. Beautiful. लिटरली मेरी जान सूख गई है सारी चीज़ों के बारे में बात करते करते. बट आई होप आई हेल्प्ड यू आउट विथ सम recommendations. You got something that you were looking for. Literally, these are all the things that I've currently been using. So yeah, let me know what else do you need. I'll definitely try to reply to you in the comment section. And if you want to support the channel, affiliate links would be in the description box of everything that I've mentioned. Click on it and buy from them. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Till then, stay happy and stay hydrated. Bye.